Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the auto order block with break of structure indicator for MT4 and MT5. All right. For more information, you can check the link in the description, which is going to lead you to the MT4 webpage on the Forex Geek website, and also the MT5 webpage on the Forex Geek website, okay, depending on if you're using the MT4 or the MT5 platforms. Okay, now as you can see, the auto order block with break of structure indicator helps you automatically plot higher highs, higher lows, break of structure, change of character levels. So it makes it easier for you to identify these patterns on your chart, especially if you are an SMC trader or perhaps ICT trader. It helps you to automatically plot these levels on your chart and identify order blocks for you so that you can then proceed to execute your trades accordingly. All right. So once you have a change of character, for example, and an order block being plotted, you just have to wait for price to tap into the order block. You can set your limit order, stop loss below the order block zone, take profit at the next higher high, right? Or perhaps you take profit at the swing high, the previous swing high. Okay, then in the case of a sell trade, you have perhaps a BOS or change of character, as the case may be, and then you have your order block being plotted. You just wait for price to tap into your order block, which is going to be a point of interest, right? And then after price must have tapped into that order block, you just have to set your stop loss above the order block zone. Take profits is going to be around the previous swing low. So it's pretty straightforward. Indicator is easy to use. All right, but ensure that you always observe proper risk management. Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and do not over leverage. All right, it's very important. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more valuable videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.